In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your hair from this to this in just a few minutes. I'm also going to be showing you my wash day and protective style routine that will help you not only grow your hair, but retain length for days. So if you want to grow that tailbone length hair, continue to watch. Today's video is going to be a natural hair video. I'm going to be showing you this one thing that's going to take your hair from this to this in just a few minutes. It is called the Riff Air hair dryer. I'm also going to be showing you my protective style routine to help you not only grow your hair, but also retain length. All right, so this is my hair family. As you all know, we're on a natural hair journey, so I am rocking my protective styles. So this is my cornrow from about a week ago, so we're gonna be taking it out today. So this is going to be a wash day / protective style routine video, all right? So I'm just taking out my cornrows here. Bear with me here. I'm taking them out. I like to do these big cornrows, and then throughout the week, I like to grab my aloe vera oil and oil my scalp. So I do this daily throughout the week. So if I kept my hair in for 2 weeks, I am applying the oil on my scalp and my edges every single day for the 2 weeks. Anyway, I'm just taking my braids out here. As you can see, the hair is getting thick. It is getting thick. Look at that. Thicker and thicker and thicker. And for those of you who have followed my journey, you know that I lost all of my hair. I had beautiful, long, thick, beautiful hair. And I just went through a tough time in my life. I neglected myself, neglected my hair, and it was bad. But now we are coming back with a vengeance. I'm telling you, we are coming back and nobody's going to be able to stop us this time. All right, so see how thick my hair looks? And it looks so healthy, y'all. So healthy. I am so proud. That fro is froing. It is giving health. It is giving, it's just giving me life. Anyway, I'm just using my wide tooth comb. As you all know, we never use a small comb. We always use a wide tooth comb, or we use our fingers. All right, so I make sure to detangle my hair. Now I'm just parting it into 4 small pieces or parts. I'm gonna be braiding it because this is how I'm gonna be washing my hair. All right, this is going to make it easy, and it's also going to make the drying process easy for me. And it's going to save a lot of time. And if you followed my journey, you know that this is my preferred way of washing my hair. I like to braid it up or twist it up and then wash it. And don't worry, don't think that your hair is not going to be clean because it's not open while you wash it. It's going to get clean. Trust me. This is the routine that I've used since 1992 and it works. Okay, maybe I'm not that old, but it works. All right, your hair is going to get clean. All right, so I am just, again, making sure that my hair is completely detangled before I braid it up because this is how I'm going to be washing it, all right? So we're done with the front. Let's move on to the back here, okay? We have 2 more braids to go. My arms are hurting. Again, this is my arm workout, but I just like to make sure that my hair is completely detangled to avoid any tangling when I go to wash it. All right, so we are almost done. All right, family, so last braid here. But look at those braids. See how thick they are? That is health, y'all. That is health. When your hair is thick like that, that shows health. And as I always tell you all, we are more focused on health, not necessarily length, all right? If your hair is healthy, it's going to grow. It's going to retain its length. So don't worry about the length first. Don't say, oh my God, my hair, I just started using the aloe vera oil and my hair is not down to my back. No, it's not going to be down to your back. My hair is not down to my back. However, look how healthy it looks. Look how thick it looks. When your hair is healthy, the length will come. All right, let's move on to washing my hair. Again, I'm doing it the old school way. I'm just bending over in my tub, using the tub and a cup to wash it, condition it, and that's it. All right, so now we're back. This is what my hair looks like. The braids are still intact. This is helpful because this is how I'm going to be drying my hair. I'm just going to be taking the braids out one by one and drying my hair. And when I tell you, sis, this drying process takes seconds. literally seconds, okay? This is the best thing that has happened to my wash day routine in years, okay? All right, so I'm just grabbing the braids one by one here. I'm taking them out, making sure that they're, again, detangled very well. See how healthy that looks? Look how pretty, thick, bouncy, and healthy. That is how you retain length, y'all. And I always use my aloe vera oil. I don't care what I'm doing. Get you a bottle of the aloe vera oil. I'm going to leave the link below. Try it yourself and trust me, you'll thank me later. Anyway, I have split my hair here into two. So I'm going to put this portion in and wash it dry. So all you do is grab your hair, put it into the vacuum, let it sit for a few seconds on your scalp and pull it off. And you will see that my hair is wet. I didn't do anything. I didn't let it air dry. I literally came from the bathroom with my hair wet. If you really look at my t-shirt, you'll see that my t-shirt is still wet. So again, I'm just grabbing the device, making sure that I get a good enough portion to fit into the vacuum. You want to leave this on your head. Don't suck it up and down like you see me do it here. I'm doing it wrong. That's not how you're supposed to do it. Hold it up to your scalp for about 30 seconds and then pull it out and look at the result. Look how long and detangled and stretched out my hair looks. All right, so I am moving on to the front section here. I'm gonna do this whole section so you all can see the difference, and it is going to shock you. It's going to shock you, y'all. This is in real time, and you can see that literally it's taking seconds. I grabbed the device, suck my hair into it, let it sit for a few seconds, pull it out, and that's it. I don't have to chase it with the comb or the brush. I don't have to, do anything. You can set the setting to how hot you want it, and if you don't want it hot at all, you can set it. It's pretty easy to use, and the device comes with the instructions, so don't worry about that. But like I said, it's very, very easy to connect and use. But the greatest thing about the device is that it doesn't require a lot of heat, and it also takes seconds to get this kind of look. So if you're having issues on wash days and you're thinking, oh my God, wash days is just so hard. I have to wash my hair, then I have to detangle it again, and then I have to wait for it to dry, or girl, try this. Now the device is expensive. I'm not even gonna lie. I think this is about $400, and y'all know that my middle name is Frugal Friend. I am not spending $400 for a device. That doesn't work. Okay? And full transparency, this was sent to me, so I didn't purchase this. But that is why I'm here. I am an influencer, so I can influence you. And if something works for me, I'm going to tell you about it. And this is all the rave. I told you all that my daughter is tender-headed, so she hates the noise that a regular hair dryer makes. She doesn't like it. And this made it so easy, so easy for me to dry her hair. And for the first time, I flat ironed her hair. I did a video, and it's here on my channel. I think it's the video right before this one. So go ahead and check it out. I used it on her hair, and her hair looks amazing. And that's the first time I was ever able to blow dry her hair and also flat iron her hair. Look at my hair. It is nice. I can comb through it, I can braid it, I can do any kind of protective style without pulling and tugging on my hair or risking my hair breaking, because I'm spending all of this time trying to detangle it and blow dry it and all of that. So I really like the device. The price, again, it's a little pricey, so that's something you might want to think about, but it works. It does what it's supposed to do. It gives what it's supposed to give. So look at the difference here. Look at the before and after. Look at my hair with the blow dryer versus my hair without. And y'all know my hair is like the queen of shrinkage. I say this all the time. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's move on to doing the second side here. So again, all I do is I grab a small portion to make sure that it fits into the device. I detangle it with my brush. My wide tooth comb. I put it into the device, hold it for about 30 to 60 seconds, pull it out, and that's it. It's dry. And you can do this as many times as you want. And if you want to really get your hair to be like very straight, you can do it as many times as you want. It is hassle free. It is very easy to do, and I really like the device. Okay, so anyway, moving on here, we're almost done. I am on the last puff of hair here. I am on the last few hairs here, just drying it, making sure that I'm getting every part of my hair. My hair is getting longer and thicker, and I'm enjoying it. I'm here for it. I am so happy with my results. Before you know it, we might be at the same length we were before, or even longer, okay? But what we're focused on, as I always say, is health. Focus on the health of your hair and the length will come. When your hair is healthy, it doesn't just fall out. When your hair is healthy, it doesn't just break. It's not just, your scalp is not dry. Your hair looks healthy. When your hair is healthy, it looks healthy. So you're going to retain length. So that healthy hair is going to continue to grow and grow and grow. But when it's not healthy and you're worried about length, that's how you end up seeing people with they'll have maybe 3 strands of long hair down to their back, and they're like, oh, my hair is long. No, that's not what you call long hair. That's unhealthy. Cut it off. Start over. Get some aloe vera oil your scalp. Take some vitamins. Watch my hair videos and create a routine for yourself that works. That is where you want to get. I want all of us to be able to wear our hair, our natural hair, the days that we want to wear it, and wear our wigs the days that we want to wear it. But I don't want wigs and protective styles and attachments and extensions to be required. We don't want to be required to do anything. We are women. We change our minds on a daily basis, a few times a day. And I want that for our hair as well. So if we want to wear our hair today and just, like a soft flex, I have hair and it's thick and it's long and it's healthy. I want us to be able to do that. And then if we want to slay a lace front, I want to be able to do that as well. So that is the goal, y'all. So anyway, I am done drying my hair here. And now I am grabbing my aloe vera oil and oiling that scalp. We can't forget that part. That part is very important. You need healthy scalp. Healthy hair equals healthy scalp. You need that. We all need that. So anyway, this is the finished product, y'all. I am so proud of myself, my hair. I can't say it enough. Anyway, moving on to the next step here. I did go ahead and take a break, eat my dinner, and now I'm going to move right on to my protective style for the next week. So I'm just braiding my hair up here. Like I said, I like to put these big braids in my hair to be able to wear my wigs. I'm very busy, so I don't have time to do, natural styles on an everyday basis. But I do braid my hair underneath so that it looks nice and clean. So where if I want to run to the grocery store or if I want to walk around the house, I still feel pretty. I still feel like my hair is done and my hair is clean. So that is what I'm doing here. And I also do this so that I'm able to oil my scalp. Like I said, I have been on a journey. I am on this journey to get my hair back to healthy. So I have been taking my vitamins. I started working out here, and I'm also making sure to oil my scalp on a daily basis. And as I was braiding my hair, little Miss Nadia decided she wanted to have a tea party with mommy. So she brought me a cup of tea, and I said, thank you, mommy. So I stole the opportunity to oil her scalp as well because she does not like doing her hair anymore. And if you watch the last video, I talked about it in there. So I just stole the opportunity to oil her scalp, and she's like, oh, I'm out of here. So she ran away, and that's fine because I can finish doing my hair. So anyway, I'm just braiding my cornrows here. I like to braid the cornrows all the way down and then twist the ends. Twisting the ends makes it easy for me when I go to take it out. I'm lazy. I don't want to take out braids, and braids are harder, in my opinion, to take out than twist. So I would braid it, like I said, all the way down and maybe even past my scalp a little bit, and then I twist it. That's what works for me. So that is all I'm doing here. Just braiding. My arms get tired. I take a break and I braid. And I turned around so you all can see that my part is not perfect at all. It doesn't have to be, because most times I end up using my fingers to make my part because the comb hurts sometimes. So like mother, like daughter, I'm tender-headed. That's why nobody does my hair. I do my own hair. Anyway, so the braids are done and this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna grab my aloe vera oil again and oil my scalp. And this, for those of you who have been asking, this is how I oil my scalp with the aloe vera oil. I grab my dropper, I squeeze it into the bottle, release it, get some oil in there, and then oil my scalp. After putting the oil on my scalp like this, I use my fingers, massage, 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 rub some on my hands, rub the ends of my hair, and that is it. All right, family, and that is it for today's video, y'all. I hope you learned something. If you're able to, do go ahead and try the Riff Air hair dryer. Also, don't forget to get you a bottle of aloe vera oil to start your natural hair journey. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.